After Huawei and Samsung, now Xiaomi officially will introduce Xiaomi Mix TriFold. Now we take a look leaks about features and specification of this TriFold. Xiaomi Mix TriFold will be foldable LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 120Hz refresh rate. Talk about the performance. There will be Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. And for base graphics, there will be GPU of Adreno. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and 512 GB internal memory. Smartphone will be a triple camera setup. Battery will be a big one with fast charging support. Phone will run on Android operating system. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.